Advertising. A paid form of communication from an identifiable source, delivered through a communication channel, and designed to persuade the receiver to take some action, now or in the future. Steps in planning executing an ad campaign. 1. Identify target audience. 2. Set advertising objectives. 3. Determine the advertising budget. 4. Convey the message. 5. Evaluate and select media. 6. Create advertisements. 7. Assess impact. Advertising plan. A section of the firm's overall marketing plan that explicitly outlines the objective of the advertising campaign, how the campaign might accomplish those objectives, and how the firm can determine whether the campaign was successful. Pull strategy. Directing the promotional mix at ultimate consumers to encourage them to ask the retailer for a product. Push strategy. A promotion strategy that calls for using the sales force and trade promotion to push the product through channels. The producer promotes the product to channel members who in turn promote it to final consumers. Information advertising. Advertising that benefits consumers by providing useful information about a product. Persuasive advertising. Communication used to motivate consumers to take action. Reminder advertising. Communication used to remind consumers of a product or to prompt repurchases, especially for products that have gained market acceptance and are in the maturity stage of their life cycle. Product-focused advertisements. Used to remind, inform, or persuade consumers about a specific product or service. Institutional advertisements. Inform, persuade, and remind consumers about issues related to places, politics, and industry. Hooray! Particular corporation. Primary demand advertising. Ads designed to generate demand for the product category or an entire industry. Public service advertising, PSA. Advertising that focuses on public welfare and generally is sponsored by non-profit institutions, civic groups, religious organizations, trade associations, or political groups, a form of social marketing. Social marketing. The application of marketing principles to a social issue to bring about attitudinal and behavioral change among the general public or a specific population segment. Selective demand. Demand for a specific brand. Unique selling proposition, USP. The aspect of an advertised product that sets it apart from other brands in the same product category. Informational appeal. Used in a promotion to help consumers make purchase decisions by offering factual information and strong arguments built around relevant issues that encourage them to evaluate the brand favorably on the basis of the key benefits it provides. Emotional appeal. Attempting to persuade through appealing to the reader's emotions. Media planning. Process of selecting the advertising media and deciding the time or space in which the ads should appear. Media mix. The combination of the media used and the frequency of advertising in each medium. Mass media. Forms of communication, such as newspapers and radio, that reach millions of people. Niche media. Channels that are focused and generally used to reach narrow segments, often with unique demographic characteristics or interests. Viral marketing campaign. See viral marketing. Advertising schedule. The specification of the timing and duration of advertising. Continuous advertising schedule. Runs steadily throughout the year and therefore is suited to products and services that are consumed continually at relatively steady rates and that require a steady level of persuasive reminder advertising. Flighting advertising schedule. An advertising schedule implemented in spurts with periods of heavy advertising followed by periods of no advertising. Pulsing advertising schedule. Combines the continuous and flighting schedules by maintaining a base level of advertising but increasing advertising intensity during certain periods. Headline. In an advertisement, large type designed to draw attention. Body copy. The main text portion of an ad. Background. In an advertisement, the backdrop, which is usually a single color. Foreground. In an advertisement, the portion that identifies the sponsor of the ad. Branding. In an advertisement, the portion that identifies the sponsor of the ad. Pre-testing. Assessments performed before an ad campaign is implemented to ensure that the various elements are working in an integrated fashion and doing what they are intended to do. Tracking. Includes monitoring key indicators, such as daily or weekly sales volume, while the advertisement is running to shed light on any problems with the message or the medium. Post-testing. The evaluation of an IMC campaign's impact after it has been implemented. Lift. Additional sales caused by advertising. Puffery. The legal exaggeration of praise, stopping just short of deception, lavished on a product. Cause-related marketing. Commercial activity in which businesses and charities form a partnership to market an image, a product, or a service for their mutual benefit, a type of promotional campaign. Event sponsorship. Popular PR tool, occurs when corporations support various activities, financially or otherwise, usually in the cultural or sports and entertainment sectors. Premium. An item offered for free or at a bargain price to reward some type of behavior such as buying, sampling or testing. Loyalty program. Specifically designed to retain customers by offering premiums or other incentives to customers who make multiple purchases over time. Point of purchase, pop display. A merchandise display located at the point of purchase, such as at the checkout counter in a grocery store. Rebate. A portion of the price is returned to the buyer in cash. Product placement. Putting products into TV shows and movies where they will be seen. Cross-promoting. Efforts of two or more firms joining together to reach a specific target market.